Hi, my name is John, and if you're watching this video, I'll be teaching you a simple trick that can help you merge data from two columns of an Excel sheet into one column of an Excel sheet without losing any data from both sides of the column. Now, let's see how this works. You've probably thought of merging two cells at one point in time and get this error message. So I highlight two cells or more cells that I want to merge, and I say merge and center. You get an error message that tells you that one data is going to be kept alone. Now if I continue this is what I get. Okay, so we're going to take this back. So say I have a list of like 500 names or a data of up to 500 downwards, and I don't know how to go around this. I probably have to type them manually, and that's really stressful. Really stressful. So now here's the trick. I can match these two cells or columns rather without having to lose any data. So how does this work? So I click into the cell that I want to use and I start typing these formulas. So I'd say equal to, I'll probably click on the cell that I want, and then I say and, because I'm not summing this up, I want this data and this data to be in one cell. But take note, we are putting together names, so we want them to be separate. So we indicate a space behind this by using the quotation sign. So I put a quotation mark and I give a space, and I put a quotation mark. So I'm quoting a space between the data in A2, and then I put my and again, and then I click B2. Now if you have as much data as 3, 4, 5 and up to more than that, you can still continue this pattern, but I'm stopping here. So I just click enter. So I have John Alda, and we know how to go around this. Just drag this down till the end and we'll have our data coming out for us perfectly. So I probably want to name this full name. Okay, that's fine. Now one more thing I want to show you is, if you decide you want to copy this and put it into another sheet, you might have a problem because these things have formulas. So I'll show you how to copy from one sheet to another without affecting your data. So I'll copy this and I'll probably come to sheet 2. Now you have a couple of paste options here. Now if you paste like you just pasting, it's going to give you an error sign because it can't find the origin of the data that I used in the formula. So I'll come to paste as values. Now you can actually paste as values or as a link. So either values or links give you the correct data. So I say paste as values and I have my correct data. Fine. So this is how far I'm going to be going for this version of our video. Until our next video, take charge.